how to microneedle for hair loss. Of late, we have seen that people buy derma roller or even derma pen on Amazon और कहीं से भी खरीद के they start microneedling by themselves. People think कि हम अपने hair growth को बढ़ाने के लिए microneedling or derma rolling is a very good method and we can do it at home. So we wanted to discuss how much useful it will be for you कि आप घर में करें and hospital में, clinic में कराने का कितना usefulness है, फिर वो कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आपको डर्मा रोलिंग में ध्यान देनी है. So everything let us discuss today. Starting first thing first, what is microneedling? So my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an ABHRS certified hair transplant surgeon and subscribe to this channel if you want to know more about such educational videos. अब आप ऐसे समझिए कि surgical controlled wounds when they are created on the skin, the benefit would be that skin will not be damaged or destroyed and multiple growth factors or inflammatory factors will be released there. So when we do microneedling or derma rolling or even derma pen on the scalp, multiple such controlled wounds are created. These controlled wounds will help you in 3 ways. Number 1, जब आपने ढेर सारे स्मॉल पंक्चर वुंड्स बना दिए स्कैल्प के ऊपर, खुद से बनाए या आपने क्लिनिक में बनवाए, what they will do, आप उसके ऊपर जो भी दवाई लगाओगे या जो सीरम्स लगाओगे, it will get penetrated down very fast and the amount of penetration will be increased. So that way the growth factors which are given to you in the form of PRP or mesoserums, they would go inside your scalp more than without microneedling and you would be benefited by it. Number 2, these controlled injuries in the derma rolling and derma pen, they increase collagen and elastin fibers because now the skin will try to improve itself, will try to heal itself by making more of collagen and elastin. And when collagen and elastin is increased in the dermis, then it will help in the hair growth. So then the derma rolling will improve the blood circulation. So the growth factors, various inflammatory factors also, so that when the skin is benefited by these growth factors, we can extrapolate that the hair is also benefited because hair is a part of the skin. Please press the like button and now we'll shift to our next part as to how derma rolling will help in hair loss. We all know that the bulge which contains germ cells lies at a depth of about 1 to 1.5 millimeters below the scalp. If we can create channels by derma roller up to that depth and then we give PRP or nutrients till that depth, then we can stimulate the germ cells directly for improving hair growth, hair diameter, hair density and whatnot. Whichever hair are salvageable will be benefited by it. So ऐसे derma roller will help us in improving the diameter of hair and also maybe density. अब derma rolling करने के prerequisites क्या हैं? क्या होना चाहिए कि हम derma roller कर सके? सबसे पहले, the scalp should not have any unhealthy excretions जैसे फोड़े फुंसी या कोई सिबोरिया, ज़्यादा सिबोरिया या सोरियासिस, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम, scalp का लोकल प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. Then the derma roller should be sterile. It should be gamma sterile. जो बाजार में derma rollers we get from the market, they are usually gamma sterile. If you want to continue with your derma roller at home, you should know how to clean it. So you have to clean it properly in running water, then you have to blow dry it, you have to air dry it, and then you can keep it back. In the clinics, we use separate derma rollers for separate patients, and because we have a clinic, a hospital, so we try to clean it not only by water but also by hydrogen peroxide so that any dead cells or something which is inside is cleaned properly, then it is dried and then it is kept in the formalin chamber. So we keep it sterile in the clinics. So this is how derma roller should be used and reused. If you have any more questions, you can definitely write in the comment section below and then we can answer them. तो अब ये समझते हैं कि roller of derma roller contains around 192 needles of let's say 2 millimeters length and the diameter of each needle, which is made of stainless steel, is 0.06 millimeters. Jab this rolls on the surface of the scalp, every pass creates 16 holes per centimeter square. So round about 250 holes per centimeter square are produced when we pass the roller 15 to 16 times. This is the requisite for a good derma roller experience. Micropunctures significantly damage the skin without actually making a permanent damage. So this, when done in the clinic and done in proper ways, so anterofrontal 4 times, then transverse 4 times, then diagonally 4 times, and here 4 times. So 16 times at one place will make this number of holes which we just talked about, and it will help in gaining whatever we want from the derma rolling procedure. Whether we want more meso solution to go inside or we want more elastin and collagen and hair rejuvenation, so all this will be achieved when it is done properly in this manner in the clinic. Suppose you want to use derma roller at home. You have already bought it. So first of all, you should not buy more than 0.75 or at the most 1, because when you do it alone, जब आप अपने आप घर पे करते हैं, you are not able to properly monitor कि आपने किस जगह पे कितना किया, आपके कहीं बाल तो नहीं फंस रहे हैं उसमें, आपके स्कैल्प में कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं था, देन डर्मा रोलर आपने ठीक से वॉश किया है, ठीक से अपने हाइजीनिक रखा है, घर पे फॉर्मलिन चेम्बर वगैरह नहीं होते तो आप हर बार उसको स्टेराइल नहीं कर सकते, बट आप 2-3 बार एक डर्मा रोलर यूज कर सकते हैं, बट आपको प्रॉपरली रखना है। बहुत डीप नीडल्स का आप घर में यूज नहीं कर सकते, जो कि क्लिनिक में यूज किया जा सकता है, बिकॉज देयर आर डॉक्टर्स एंड टेक्नीशियंस टू टेक केयर। देन घर पे जब आप करोगे तो आप उसके साथ मिनॉक्सिडिल ना यूज करें, बिकॉज ऑफ द अल्कोहल कंटेंट ऑफ मिनॉक्सिडिल, इट मे कॉज स्टिंगिंग, जलन हो सकती है आप। देन बहुत ज्यादा ना करें, आपको घंटे 2 घंटे नहीं करना है, इट विल टेक हार्डली 5 to 10 minutes. Once or twice a week is enough. Please do not harm your scalp, because I tell you what happens when you do it more than required. If you do it more than required, then more inflammatory factors come there, और फिर वो inflammation कर देते हैं, redness कर देते हैं, और swelling आ सकती है, and it may do more harm than the positive factors we want to gain out of it. So in cases of derma rollers, we have to be towards the lesser side. Less is more. If you have any problem regarding hair loss, you can call us on these numbers for hair transplant consultation. One important question is, क्या डर्मा रोलर हर तरीके के एलोपेशिया में हेल्प करेगा? बिल्कुल बॉल्ड हो चुके हैं वहाँ भी हेल्प करेगा, या जहाँ थिनिंग हो रही है वहाँ हेल्प करेगा? So as per the different experiences and studies done all over the world, we now know that derma roller usually helps in improving the hair where there are already thin hairs. और दूसरा, if somebody is suffering from alopecia areata, जो कि autoimmune disorder है. In androgenetic alopecia, अगर कोई बिल्कुल bald areas हो गए हैं where you do not have any hair, then derma roller will not create new roots. Then we will have to take help of hair transplant. But in areas where there is thinning, we can definitely try derma roller. If you want to know about best hair growth lotion along with microneedling, you can click on the link above. Let us quickly recapitulate the take-home messages of how to microneedle for hair loss. If you are doing it at home, do not go for a derma roller which is more than 0.75 millimeter or at the most 1 millimeter. Do not apply extra pressure to it. See that the scalp is healthy and does not have any excoriations or chota mota foda funsi. Then always check that your derma roller is clean and it should be dry. Preferably, you should use gamma sterile derma rollers at home also. Then one more thing, the last but not the least, is do not overdo. Do not cause too much bleeding, or do not do it every other day in the week, not more than once or twice, with a hand which is not heavy, with a light hand. Preferably, I would suggest go to a clinic, get the derma roller done along with low-level laser therapy and PRP or mesotherapy, and get the best out of it. So in that way, you would be under observation and consultation of a hair doctor also. Rest, you are the better judge. So do take care. Share this video with somebody who is contemplating microneedling for hair loss. If you want to see one of our hair transplant results, please click the video on the left. And to see a hair transplant full guide, please click the video on the right. Thank you.